Hi mga watchers, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode. Tara, let's go. Samahan niyo ako. Pupunta tayo sa isa sa mga distributor ng Bajaj RE. And we will see as to how much yung cash price na binibenta nila. And if we're gonna do the installment, magkano din yung installment, yung down payment, yung 3 years or yung 4 years. Tara, let's go. Bye-bye. Yes, at last, andito na tayo mga ka-watchers sa CDO2 Cycles Motorcycles. They are one of the distributors of this Bajaj RE. At the same time, different kinds of motorcycle from different brands. So, we will inquire inside kung magkano yung cash price, magkano yung down payment if we're gonna do an installment process, and magkano na din yung monthly for 3 years and 4 years. Tara, let's go! So just want to give you a heads up, the Bajaj RE has 198cc engine specs. It means ito based on experience, mas the more mabigat yung Bajaj RE na karga, mas the more lumalabas yung performance nito. Wow! So pag konti lang yung karga, okay lang din dalhin, walang problema. Pero pag medyo mabigat na yung mga karga natin, mas doon nakikita ko yung performance ng Bajaj RE. So it's only 80 kilometers yung odometer nito. So let's do the cash. So yung cash na ino-offer ng dealer na ito is 205,888 pesos for cash price. 888,000 pesos. Yan. And for installment process, ito yung mga requirements nila. 1 valid ID and then proof of income for 3 months. Either you're an OFW, employer, o trabahante ng kahit anong trabaho. So yun yung mga requirements nila. So pag may business permit. So for installment, yung DP or down payment nila is 20,600 pesos. And then may less pa daw na 5,000 sabi ng promoter nila. Ayan. So 20,600 pesos minus 5,000, it's 15,600 pesos. So let's do the 3 years. So yung magiging monthly mo for 3 years is 9,216 pesos. 9,216 pesos. Ayan. So the Bajaj RE, masasabi ko talaga na sulit siya sa mga within city drives. At sometimes pwede na din to pang long drive, pero kuan lang, todo ingat lang mga ka-watchers kasi maliit itong unit na ito. Visible naman sa daan, pero kasi tatlo lang yung gulong, for double protection and safety, mag-ingat talaga sa pagpatatakbo nitong unit na ito. Ayan. Let's move for the 4 years. Magkano ba yung monthly natin for 4 years? So it's 7,793 pesos for 4 years. 7,793 pesos. So sa tingin nyo mga ka-watchers, anong comment nyo for the price na 205,888 pesos, and then yung down payment nila na 15,600 pesos, less na yun na 5,000. So yun lang mga ka-watchers, no? If you're interested with this unit in this distributor, please comment below. Tulungan ko kayo para makakuha tayo nitong unit. So they have 2 available colors, the white and blue. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope naibigay ko yung information na kailangan nyo for this unit. So if this is your dream vehicle, huwag nyo nang patagalin, ipunan nyo na, plan na kayo for this year para sa regalo, and tulungan ko kayo. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.